Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how you can cook your chips differently? So today I'm going to bring you a recipe of egg fried chips. This is just another way of making your chips, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let's get the conversation going on the comment section. So on to our ingredients. We have the potatoes, we have 2 eggs. On the spices, we have garlic, we have salt, we have tandoori masala, we have paprika. You can add as more spices as you wish. For me, that's the only spice that I want to use. Then here we have our gram flour. Also, if you don't have gram flour, you can use all-purpose flour. And here we have our bowl with water. So the first thing, I'm going to start by peeling off these potatoes. They're a big size, so I'm using 4 of them. So let me peel these potatoes first. So here we have our peeled potatoes. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to slice them into chip size. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to clean them here. As you can see, I've chopped them to this size, not too thin, not too thick. So I'm going to clean them nicely to remove the excess starch. So after cleaning them, I'm going to pat them dry to remove the excess water, because I just want them purely dry. So that's what I'm going to do next. So allow me to drain this water. Using a clean towel, you can also use a kitchen tissue. You're just going to pat them dry. So I'm going to do like that for all the chips. So once you've patted them dry, as you can see, the next thing, I'm going to add in my 2 eggs. I'll add in my spices. Here we have the paprika, tandoori, salt, and also garlic powder. And then I'm going to mix well. You can mix using your hands. Ensure that each and every part is coated well. Ensure that the spices are well distributed, like so. As you can see, Next, I'm going to add in my gram flour to the mixture. And coat it nicely. Then we're going to fry this in our oil. So here we have our oil. So I'm going to just place them. Let them fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Ensure you separate them. And here we have our final products. They're really crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside. Yes, so you can try this and tell me how it goes. Did you like the recipe? Just avoid taking just boring French fries. You can try making this. They're really nice. On the spices, don't limit yourself. If you're a spicy person, use as many spices as you can. But for me, this one works, and my baby loved it so much. So don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.